Hello children, how are you? I hope you are stay home safely. So today we are going to discuss one more new topic in real numbers. So let us see some examples here. 2 into 2 into 2. Then how can we express this? So how many times it is repeating? 3 times. So we can write 2 to the power of 3. Like that, a. So how can we write it this one? A to the power of 3. So what we call this, if you express in this form, what we call exponential form, right? So the repetition of multiplication, we can write it in the short form, that is exponential form. So today we are going to learn, already you all learned previous class laws of exponents, and today we have elaborate a little bit more about that exponential forms. Okay, let us see the laws of exponents. So some laws we are discussed in this. A to the power of m into a to the power of n, we can write it as a to the power of m plus n. Okay, so a to the power of a into b whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n into b to the power of n. Next let us see some more division. A by b whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n by b to the power of n. Next let us see a to the power of m by a to the power of n. So we can write it as a to the power of m minus n if m is greater than n, 1 by a to the power of n minus m if n is greater than m. Okay, so next we have a to the power of 0, we can express as 1. So these are called laws of exponents, isn't it? So let us see some more examples for this. Then by using laws of exponents we need to find some values. For example, 81 is equal to 3 to the power of x. Can we find the value of x? Is it possible? Let us see. So 81 we can express as 3 to the power of 4 and 3 to the power of x. Their bases are same, then x is equal to 4. Let us see one more example. 2 to the power of x is equal to 32. Then can we find x value here? So 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 5. Then bases will be cancelled. X is equal to 5. So in this situation we easily find out the value of x. Let us see one more example. 2 to the power of x is equal to 5. Is it possible to find the value of x? Here bases are not equal in both sides and the powers also we cannot express this 5 into the powers of 2. So then is it possible to find out the value of x? So it is difficult to find out it. In this situation we are using one more method, that is we are going to learn logarithms. So by using logarithms we can find out the value of x. So how can we find out the logarithms of x? Let us discuss in the next class. Okay.